What's going on, everybody? My name is Tanner. This is Ceramic Pro Sarasota, and it's another What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's get it cracking.
Oh, it's not over.
All right, so starting right off in the film room, we got Tom and Melissa's Mono Y in here. We just finished up XR Plus window tint all the way around on this. This is going to head to the detail and correction area, get a ceramic coating package on this, and doing a couple other customization pieces. In the back of the tint room, we have a BMW 540 from our friends over at BMW of Sarasota, getting that tinted all the way around. All right, so we got John and Mateo getting the prep going on this M8, getting the pieces on the front bumper that need to be replaced. And then we've got that 911 Targa back there still. Big job on that, like I mentioned last week. So still in the process right now. Big unveiling coming soon for that. Still kind of top secret right now, but it's going to be a cool one, so stay tuned for that. We're going to head into the coating room and see what's going on in there. All right, and in the coating room, we've got a brand spanking new Audi S5 over here. This is a very cool color. It looks black in some lighting, but then it's kind of like a purplish brown in other lighting. As far as I know, a limited run on this color. So we're doing a ceramic coating package on this, also an interior coating to protect the Alcantara on the interior of that S5. We've got this C7 Grand Sport over here. This has been ceramic coated by us for a few years now. Customer wanted to put some paint protection film on the front of the car, so we removed the coating, put the film on. We're finishing that up today, and hopefully they're going to be picking this up today or tomorrow. Behind me, we have an F-150 that we did a taillight blackout on over at the body shop with Andy. And Travis is getting the coating laid on this right now. Ran a full multi-stage paint correction on this, removed a lot of the swirls and scratches, and then the customer is going to pick it up and it's going to stay nice and clean and pretty. All right, and now that we're in the big room, we've got this other C7 Corvette here that we're doing a paint correction and ceramic coating package on. This is a lifetime coating, so this has already gotten paint correction. It's going to get rinsed here soon and then move into the coating room and start getting the layers put on. Behind me, we got Braden's Cayman S doing a multi-stage paint correction on this and also some touch-up paint, and then getting that rinsed once more and back into the coating room to get coated. We got this SLS AMG doing a multi-stage paint correction ceramic coating package to this as well. Don't see a lot of these cars around. You'll definitely notice when you see the gull-wing doors come up and open vertically. Very eye-catching car, so we're getting this perfected, and then we're going to get it coated here soon. Moving right along, we got a Model 3. We're doing a lot to this Model 3 actually. We've got the paint correction knocked out already. We have to do window tint and a bunch of paint protection film on the front, and also the rear luggage kit area to protect the rear bumper from putting things in the trunk. And then that is going to get hopefully moving into film soon, and then into coating room because the correction's already done. And then over here, we've got a G-Wagon, AMG G63. We did XR Plus window tint on this all the way around. And we're going to also do, Moosh is running a multi-stage paint correction right now. And then we're going to be doing a ceramic coating on that once he's finished. And we've got this F-250 over here, also doing a multi-stage paint correction, doing ceramic coating. I think we're going to also get some of the dents out of the tailgate, so we're going to do some paintless dent removal. And shuffling over here, we got this beautiful 720S from our friends over at Lamborghini Sarasota, doing a diamond detail on this and a couple of other cars today. So guys are working hard on this, getting this out. We've got outside a brand new Bentley Bentayga. We did a ceramic coating on this a few weeks ago. It's back in to do ceramic window tint on the windshield and the rest of the windows as well. Behind me, we've got a Jaguar F-Type in for a coating maintenance. So this was previously ceramic coated a year ago. Just doing an annual checkup on the coating, make sure everything's feeding properly, and going to give that a full interior and exterior detail before the end of the day. Behind these vehicles, we've got another Urus from our friends over at Lambo. We're doing another detail to this, same thing as the 720 inside, going to a car event, so we're getting that fully detailed interior and exterior and back over to Lambo before the end of the day. Over here, we've got an F450. This is Brad's. We're doing a ceramic coating package on this and also some paint protection film on the rear fender flares on the sides of the dually box, where a lot of rocks get kicked up with 4 rear wheels back there, and then he's going to pick that up hopefully the end of the week. This is, I think, his second or third vehicle with us, so he knows that we're the real deal. We'll get the stuff done. Mark's Kia Soul here. We're going to be doing a diamond detail and a polymer sealant on this afterwards, heading out before the end of the day. Mark's been a long time customer with us, so same thing, he knows we're the real deal, get the stuff done right. And behind me over here, this 992, we've got ceramic coating maintenance on this today. So coated a year ago, this car still looks beautiful and looks flawless. So coating is doing its job. We're going to test out how hydrophobic it still is, and probably reapply a top layer of coating. This is Huracan from our friends over at Lambo. This is the final car that we're doing the diamond detail to today for the car event that they're having. So this is pretty much all the way done. I think the guys just need to do a quality control, double check everything, and get it back over to them. Moving right along, we got another Huracan over here. Now this one's going to be a big project. This is not from our friends at Lamborghini of Sarasota. This one is a customer car. We're doing a lot of stuff to this. There's a laundry list of products and services that we're doing on this, so stay tuned for this car. It's probably one of our biggest projects, if not our biggest. And then over here we've got this Civic Type R. There was previously a paint protection film kit installed on the full front of this car, and it was some issues with the full front paint protection film, so whomever previously installed it left some things exposed still, so we took this stuff off and put our stuff on, did it the right way. He's coming to pick that up today and enjoy the crap out of that car, because that's a driver's car right there. And last but not least, we got this Ferrari 458 Italia here from Scott. We're doing a ceramic window tint to this. This is the third vehicle that we're doing ceramic window tint, and also might do a paint correction ceramic coating on this. Definitely want to keep this car looking great. This thing is awesome. So that ties it up for this week's What's in the Shop Wednesday. Feel free to reach out at any time. You can reach me on my cell. It's 941-993-0137, or you can call the main line, 941-773-9500. I'm here Monday through Friday and on Saturdays too, so hit me up if you want anything done to your 458 or any other vehicle.